In this problem, we're asked to evaluate 2x minus y if x is 5 and y is negative 14. To preserve the structure of the problem, replace each letter by a pair of parentheses. So 2 parentheses minus parentheses. And then carefully insert in the parentheses the appropriate value. For x, we're putting 5. For y, we're putting negative 14. This helps prevent an error that you may make in the double minus sign. So do 2 times 5 is 10. Subtracting a negative is like adding the positive. And the result of 10 and 14 is 24. Player A finished first in a tournament at a golf club with a score of -5. Let's do this vertically. So score is -5. 5 strokes under par. Tied for 46th place was player B with a score of +8. Well, under par, you're 5 below 0. And then 8 plus 8 means you're 8 above 0. What is the difference between the score of player A and the score of player B? Well, we have to pass through 0, and that's the problem. So I'm going to take +8 and subtract from it -5 to get the difference in the height between these two scores. So that's 8 plus a +5. So there's 13 units difference between the lowest score and the highest score. Use the concept I explained in the previous problem. We want to evaluate -z² if z takes on the value -13. Again, this is where lots of people, and anytime I teach this class, make this mistake. Replace the z by a pair of parentheses to preserve the structure of the problem. Inside the parentheses, put the value of z, which is -13. So now we see that we're squaring -13. When you square a negative value, you're going to get a plus. And 13 times 13 is 169. But now we're asked to subtract plus 169. So that just becomes a negative number, -169. So again, my caution to you is when you're evaluating an expression, replace the letter or letters by a pair of parentheses, then insert the particular value.